It is nasty outside. Welcome back to Push-Ups for PTSD and day 1225 of 6,901 for suicide awareness. And though I don't want to sound like a cliche, please like and share to help spread awareness. As always, daily quotes will be at the end. So you saw me shovel, but honestly that was just the first time. Had to shovel again before actually doing my push-ups, as it's just falling non-stop right now. The forecast changed from 10 to 15 centimeters to 15 to 20 centimeters overnight. Not the heaviest dump, but I also had to rush to get the driveway somewhat cleared this morning as well. So I'm a bit fatigued today, a bit rushed in my preparation. No one's fault because I understand not every day can be perfect. Tomorrow I'll be more well rested, and hopefully there won't be another few feet for me to shovel when I get home from work. No record breaking numbers today, in case you couldn't tell. Gotta slow down at some points. But proper food, exercise, and rest, and we'll see what happens over the next week. As always, if you're new to the channel, I thank you for checking out the video. I'm trying to raise awareness and help as many people as I can when it comes to PTSD and suicide. I'd also like to mention that there are numbers and links in the description below for services around the world. Another two quotes today. First one, we generate fears while we sit. We overcome them by action. That's by Dr. Henry Link. The second one, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. And that one's Henry Ford. Take care, and thank you for surviving.